Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. E to the power of ln8 equals to capital 8. Capital 8, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, I will put this one goal here. Now we just calculate about this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. ln8 to the power of b equals to b ln8. So this one that is about capital 8. This one that is about capital B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So they should be like this. Next, I will put about s go to the denominator. Next, when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. Similar for this one. So ln number 1, we have number 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have 1 over s squared over 1 minus 1 over s. This one we have negative 1 over s squared. And now we need to simplify 1 over s squared on numerator and denominator. So when s approaches to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. And this one we have negative number 1. So we put negative number 1 go back in here. So we have e to the power of negative number 1. So this one equals to e to the power of negative number 1, or we put about 1 over e. This is the end. Thank you for watching.